students, in this video we are going to see distance between sets and diameter of a set. Okay, let us see definition. Let XD be a metric space. Let XD be a metric space. And let A comma B are subsets of a B non-empty set. Non-empty set. Okay. Then first definition is A. The distance of a point. The distance of a point X belongs to capital A from the set A. It is denoted by D of x comma A, and it is given by D of x A, which is equal to inferior of D of x comma y such that y belongs to A. Next definition is the distance between the set A and B denoted by D of A comma B, and is given by D of A comma B is equal to inferior of D of x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. And next definition, C. The diameter of A. Next definition is diameter of A. It is denoted by D of A, and is given by D of A is equal to superior of D of x comma y such that xy belongs to A. Okay. See here. First definition is distance of a point x belongs to capital X from the set A. See here, what we have, XD be a metric space and A, B are the subsets of, A and B are non-empty subsets of X. First definition is distance of a point which belongs to X from the set A. It is denoted by D of XA, and it is given by D of x comma A, which is equal to inferior of D of xy such that y belongs to A. Second definition is distance between set A and B. It is denoted by D of AB, and it is given by D of AB is equal to inferior of D of xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. And last definition is the diameter of A denoted by D of x, and it is given by superior of D of xy such that x comma y belongs to capital A. Let us see some examples on these definitions. Let us see examples. First example is, let x is equal to RU be the usual metric space. Define in usual metric space, we know that D of xy is equal to mod x minus y for all x comma y belongs to R. Okay. Take a is equals to closed interval 2, 5 and find d of 3 comma 8. Means we have to find distance of a point 3 from set A. Means we have to use first definition. See here, what is the definition? Distance of a point x from A is nothing but inferior of d of xy such that y belongs to capital A. Okay. See here, suppose this is our real line in which this is suppose interval 2, 5. Okay. And we have to find distance of a 3 from the interval. And here is suppose 3. Okay. So definition of d of 3 comma 8 is equal to nothing but inferior of d of. We have to find distance of a 3 from y such that y belongs to A. Okay. Inferior of. See here. Here y is belongs to A. Here observe that 3 is also belongs to A. Okay. Suppose what is the distance between 2 and 3 is 1. Okay. Suppose here is 2.5. What is the distance between 3 and 2.5? Which is 0.5. Okay. Students, here observe that 3 belongs to A. And note that when distance from x to x, distance from x to x, when x is belongs to A is always 0. Here note that 3 is belongs to A. Therefore, distance from 3 to 3 is 0. Next, suppose here is 3.5. This distance is again 0.5. Here is 4. Distance between 3 and 4 is 1. Distance between 3 and 5 is 2. And so, because in interval 2 and 5, there are infinitely many points, and we have to choose among these a inferior, and obviously which is a 0. Therefore, distance between 3 to A is equals to 0. Okay. Let us take next example, or here we can say that d of 3A is equal to 0. Okay, here I add one more question. Find d of 6A. It is also very simple. We have to find distance of a point 6 from this set. Suppose here is a 6. Again, go by definition. What we get? D of 6A is equal to inferior of d of 6 comma y such that y is belongs to A, which is equal to inferior of sorry. See here, we have to find distance of a point 6 from set A. Okay. Okay, find distance of a 6 from 2, which is 4. Then distance of a 6 from 3 is 3. Distance of a 6 from 4 is 6 to 4 is 2. Distance of a 6 to 5 is 1. Distance of a 6 to, suppose here is 4.5, which is 1.5. 5 and so on. Okay, here observe that 1 is the inferior of among these values. Okay, therefore distance of a 6 from set A is 1. Let us take next example. Let RU be the usual metric space. Okay, we know that in usual metric space d of xy is equals to mod x minus y for all x comma y belongs to R. Okay, suppose you have set closed interval 1 to b is equals to semi open closed interval 2 4. Then find d of a comma b. Okay, suppose this is a real line R. Suppose here is your closed interval 1 2 and here is your semi closed open interval 2 4. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find distance between set A and B. What is the definition of distance between set A and B? It is inferior of d of x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Okay, means we have to find minimum distance xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Minimum d of xy or inferior d of xy. Okay, here observe that if you calculate d of xy mean in which x is belongs to A and y is belongs to B. Here observe that suppose you take 1 from set A and you take 4 from set B, then distance between 1 and 4 is 3. Okay, if you take 1.5 from this set and if you take 3.5 from this set, then what is the distance between these 2 points, which is 2. Okay, next if you take here 2 from this set and 3 points from this set, what is the distance between 2 and 3.5, which is 1.5. If you take here is suppose 3. If you take 2 from set A and 3 from set B, then what is the distance from 2 and 3 is 1. Okay, and here observe that if you take 2 from set A and here is the point which of the 4 2 plus 1 by n. This point is nothing but 2 plus 1 by n means 2.1 and so on. Okay, then what is the distance between 2 and 2 plus 1? Okay, which is nothing but 0. And if you take inferior among these numbers, obviously you get 0. Okay, minimum of d of xy means if you take 2 belongs to set A and minus if you take 2 plus 1 by n which is belongs to B. Okay, this is nothing but obviously 2 minus 2 is 0, which is equal to 1 by n, and as n tends to infinity this 1 by n tends to 0, therefore which is equal to 0. Therefore distance between A and B is 0. Okay, suppose this is a subpart 1. Let us take second subpart. A is equals to semi-closed open interval 1 4. B is equals to semi open closed interval 10. Then what is the distance between A and B? Okay, it is very easy. See here, if you inferior of d of xy, if you find distance between 1 and 7, you get 6. Okay, suppose you know that this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, suppose. Okay, A set is semi open closed interval 1 4 and B set is semi open closed interval 7 10. Okay, then we have to find distance between A and B. Suppose you take, this one does not belong to set A. If you take 2 from set A and suppose this point is of the form 7 plus 1 by n. Okay, then distance between 2 minus 7 plus 1 by n, which is nothing but 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, if you take 3 from set A and 8 from set B, then distance between these 2 points is 5. Okay, if you take 3 from set A and 9 from set B, then distance between 9 and 3 is 6. Okay, see here, this point is of the form 1 plus 1 by n and this point is of the form 7 plus 1 by n. If you take distance from these 2 points, what we get? 7 minus 1, which is nothing but 6. Okay, now if you take 4 from this set, means A, and if you take 7 plus 1 by n points from this set, then distance between these 2 points is 3 and so on. Okay, but we have to choose infimum among these. So what is infimum? Obviously it is 3. Therefore distance from A to B is 3. Let us take third example. If A is equals to closed interval 1 3, A is equals to closed interval 1 3 and B is equals to closed interval 2 4, then find D of A comma B. Okay, again consider this is a real line. Suppose here is a closed interval 1 3, which is a set A, and here is a closed interval 2 4. Okay, this is set A and this is a set B. Okay, we have to find distance between A and B. Distance between A and B is nothing but inferior of d of xy such that x is belongs to A, y is belongs to B. Okay, inferior of. See here, if you take 1 from set A and 2 from set B, then what is the distance between 1 and 2? Which is 1. If you take 1.5 from this set and 2 from this set, then distance between 1.5 and 2 is 0.5. If you take 2 from this set, means 2 from here, observe that 2 is belongs to A as well as 2 is belongs to B. Then distance from 2 to 2 is 0. If you take 2 from If you take 2 from A and 2.5 also belongs to this set, then distance between from 2 to 2.5 is 0.5 and so on. Here, observe that among this distance, inferior is 0. Therefore, distance between A and B is 0. Okay. Let us write down one note. If A intersection B is not equal to 5, then D of AB is equal to 0. You can also use this note for this example. Observe that here A intersection B is closed interval 2, 3. That is A intersection B is non-empty. Therefore, distance between A and B is equal to 0. But converse need not true. Converse need not true. Converse need not be true. That is, what is the converse of this statement? Converse is if D of AB is equal to 0, if D of AB is equal to 0, that does not imply A intersection B is not equal to 5. Okay. For example, if A is equal to semi-open closed interval 1, 2 and B is equal to open interval 2, 4, then here observe that A intersection B is equal to 5. Obviously, in this set 2 is included and in this set 2 does not included. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 5, but D of AB is also 0. In case when D of AB is equal to 0, we get A intersection B is equal to 5. Means D of AB is equal to 0 does not imply A intersection B is not equal to 5. Let us take third example. Let RU be the usual metric space. D of xy is equal to mod x minus y for all xy belongs to R. Take A is equal to closed interval 2, 5. Find, we have to find D of A means diameter of A, and diameter of A, definition of diameter of A is superior of D of xy such that xy belongs to A. Okay. Here is, suppose this is a real line and here is your closed interval 2, 5. Okay. So here is closed interval 2, 5. Here is 3, 4. Okay. Let us write down definition of D of A, which is nothing but superior of D of xy such that xy belongs to capital A. Okay. Superior of distance from x to 1 and xy belongs to A, and you have to choose among these distance superior. Okay. So suppose first we calculate distance between 2 and 3, which is 1. Suppose here is 2.5. If you calculate distance between 2.5 and 2, which is 0.5. If you calculate distance between 2.5 and 3, which is again 0.5. Okay. Distance between 3 and 4 is 1. Distance between 4 and 5 is again 1. Distance between 3 and 5 is 2. Distance between 2 and 5 is 3, and so on. Okay. We have to choose maximum number among these, and obviously 3 is the maximum number. Therefore, diameter of A is equal to 3. If you take open interval 2, 5, then what is the diameter of this open interval? D of A is equal to, again write down definition of D of A. Here observe that now we have taken open interval, means 2 and 5 does not included in this interval. So this is the point of the form 2 plus 1 by n, and this is the point of the form 5 minus 1 by n. Then obviously maximum d of xy is maximum or superior d of xy is 5 minus 1 by m minus 2 minus 1 by n. Okay, which is nothing but 1 by m minus 1 by n. Okay, as n tends to infinity, as m and n tends to infinity, this tends to 0. As m and n tends to 0, this is nothing but 3 plus. This term goes to 0, therefore this is 3. Means diameter of A is 3. Okay. I hope all of you understand this concept. Okay, we will stop here. In next video, we will see theorem on this definition. Thank you.